Chocolate chip cookies are a timeless treat. They bring joy to any occasion. But have you ever thought about making them in an air fryer? It's a game changer. Air fryer chocolate chip cookies are easy to make and incredibly delicious. The air fryer method ensures even cooking, giving you perfect cookies every time. Imagine biting into a warm cookie with gooey chocolate chips. It's blissful, right? The air fryer makes this possible in less time than traditional baking. Plus, it's a great way to avoid heating up the whole kitchen. You get to enjoy your sweet treat without the hassle. Why consider the air fryer? It's all about convenience and taste. You don't need to preheat the oven or worry about uneven baking. The air fryer circulates hot air around the cookies, cooking them to perfection. Let's dive into how you can make these delightful cookies at home. In this essay, we'll explore the steps to create air fryer chocolate chip cookies. We'll cover everything from ingredients to the final bite. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this simple yet delicious recipe. Baking cookies in a traditional oven can be tricky. Have you ever ended up with burnt edges and doughy centers? It's a common problem. Ovens can have hot spots that lead to uneven baking. This can be frustrating when you want perfect cookies. Another issue is the time it takes. Preheating the oven alone can take up to 15 minutes. Then, you have to keep a close eye on the cookies to avoid overbaking. This can be stressful, especially if you're multitasking in the kitchen. Temperature control is another challenge. Even a slight variation can affect the outcome. Too high, and your cookies burn. Too low, and they remain uncooked. It requires constant monitoring and adjustments. Not everyone has the time or patience for that. The air fryer solves these problems. It provides consistent heat, ensuring even baking. There's no need to preheat, saving you time. Plus, the cooking process is quick and efficient. You can enjoy perfectly baked cookies without the usual stress. Let's start with the basics. To make air fryer chocolate chip cookies, you'll need a few simple ingredients. Most of these are pantry staples. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of unsalted butter softened, half a cup of brown sugar packed, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 large egg, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. These ingredients come together to create a delicious dough. The key is to use good quality chocolate chips. They make a big difference in the taste of your cookies. Don't forget the butter. It should be softened, not melted. This helps create a smooth dough. Brown sugar adds a rich caramel flavor while granulated sugar gives the cookies a nice crispness. Vanilla extract enhances the overall taste. With these ingredients on hand, you're ready to start baking. The best part is, you don't need any special equipment, just your air fryer and a mixing bowl. Let's move on to the next step, preparing the dough. Now that we have our ingredients, it's time to make the dough. Start by mixing the dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. Set this mixture aside. This ensures that the baking soda and salt are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Next, in a separate bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugars. Use a hand mixer or a stand mixer for this step. Beat until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The creamed mixture should be smooth and well blended. Add the egg and vanilla extract to the butter-sugar mixture. Mix until fully incorporated. The egg helps bind the ingredients together, while the vanilla adds flavor. Once mixed, gradually add the dry ingredients. Mix on low speed until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep the cookies tender. Finally, fold in the chocolate chips. Use a spatula for this step. Make sure the chocolate chips are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Your cookie dough is now ready for the air fryer. Section 5. Cooking process in the air fryer. Cooking the cookies in an air fryer is straightforward. Start by preheating the air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. While it preheats, line the air fryer basket with parchment paper. This prevents the cookies from sticking and makes cleanup easier. Scoop out small portions of dough using a cookie scoop or spoon. Place them in the air fryer basket, leaving enough space between each cookie. They will spread slightly as they cook. Depending on the size of your air fryer, you may need to cook in batches. Cook the cookies for 7 to 9 minutes. Keep an eye on them as air fryers can vary. The cookies should be golden brown around the edges but still soft in the center. Remember, they will continue to cook slightly after being removed from the air fryer. Once done, Carefully remove the cookies and let them cool on a wire rack. This step is crucial as it allows the cookies to set. If you prefer softer cookies, reduce the cooking time by a minute. For crispier cookies, add an extra minute. Section 6. The moment of truth, taking out the cookies. There's nothing quite like the excitement of taking freshly baked cookies out of the air fryer. The aroma fills the kitchen, making it hard to wait. As you lift the parchment paper, you'll see perfectly baked cookies with golden edges and gooey centers. The chocolate chips are melted and glistening. It's a sight to behold. Let the cookies cool for a few minutes on a wire rack. This helps them firm up while maintaining their soft centers. But who can resist a warm cookie fresh out of the air fryer? Take a bite and savor the moment. The texture is perfect. Crispy edges with a soft, chewy center. The chocolate chips add bursts of sweetness. It's a delightful experience that makes all the effort worthwhile. These cookies are not only delicious but also convenient. The air fryer method ensures even baking every time. You get to enjoy homemade cookies without the usual hassle. It's a win-win situation. Section 7. Quick and hassle-free. The air fryer advantage. Air fryer chocolate chip cookies are a quick solution to satisfy your sweet tooth. The process is straightforward and requires minimal effort. No need to preheat the oven or worry about uneven baking. The air fryer takes care of everything. The cooking time is significantly reduced. In just 7 to 9 minutes you have freshly baked cookies. This is perfect for those moments when you need a quick treat. Whether it's for a family snack or a last-minute dessert, air fryer cookies are the answer. Cleanup is also a breeze. With parchment paper lining the air fryer basket, there's minimal mess. You don't have to deal with multiple baking sheets or a hot oven. It's a simple, efficient way to enjoy homemade cookies. The air fryer provides consistent results. You get perfectly baked cookies every time. The edges are crispy, the centers are soft, and the chocolate chips are gooey. It's a foolproof method that guarantees delicious cookies. Section 8. Subscribe for more delicious content. If you enjoyed this recipe, there's more where that came from. Subscribe to our newsletter for more delicious and easy recipes. You'll get access to exclusive content, cooking tips, and special offers. It's a great way to stay inspired in the kitchen. Our recipes are designed to be simple and enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, there's something for everyone. From quick snacks to gourmet meals, we cover it all. Join our community of food lovers and elevate your cooking game. Don't miss out on our latest updates. Follow us on social media for daily inspiration. We share mouth-watering photos, cooking videos, and behind-the-scenes content. It's a fun way to connect with fellow food enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes and cooking hacks. We love sharing our passion for food with you. Subscribe today and never miss a delicious moment. Section 9. Conclusion. Air fryer chocolate chip cookies are a game changer. They offer a quick and hassle-free way to enjoy a classic treat. With consistent results and minimal effort, it's an ideal method for busy individuals. The air fryer ensures even baking, giving you perfect cookies every time. The ingredients are simple and likely already in your pantry. Preparing the dough is easy, and the cooking process is straightforward. In just a few minutes, you have freshly baked cookies with gooey chocolate chips. It's a delightful experience that everyone will love. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a kitchen novice, this recipe is for you. The air fryer takes the guesswork out of baking, making it accessible to everyone. Enjoy the convenience and deliciousness of air fryer chocolate chip cookies. Give this recipe a try and see for yourself. It's a fun and rewarding way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Share the joy with family and friends. They won't believe how easy and delicious these cookies are. Section 10. Final thoughts. In conclusion, air fryer chocolate chip cookies are a must-try. They combine the best of convenience and taste. The air fryer method ensures perfect cookies every time with minimal effort. It's a great way to enjoy a classic treat without the usual hassle. The process is simple, from gathering ingredients to taking the first bite. The result is a batch of delicious cookies that everyone will love. The air fryer offers a quick and efficient way to bake, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. We hope this essay inspires you to try air fryer chocolate chip cookies. It's a fun and satisfying experience that adds a new twist to traditional baking. Enjoy the ease and deliciousness of this method and share the joy with others. Thank you for reading. We look forward to bringing you more exciting recipes and cooking tips. Stay tuned for more delicious content. Happy baking!